Welcome everybody back to the workshop. So today you're looking at a dark screen. I have a welding helmet actually set over my camera, my brand new camera, and what my attempt is here is I'm going to see if I can protect this camera enough to get welding shots in the picture itself. So we'll see how well this goes, and hopefully I won't screw nothing up on a very expensive camera. So we'll give this a few pops and see how it looks. Okay, so hopefully that turned out very well. We'll see how that actually looks on the playback. I'll be right back with you. Okie doke, we're going to try this one more time. It looked like it worked, but it was a little bit out of range. So let's see how it looks this time. Okay, well, just as you could tell, like in the video, you really can't see a whole lot going on, so I'm going to have to wait until I can get some proper filters for the actual welding. But anyways, it was an interesting test, none the least. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I know it wasn't much to look at, except for some really cruddy welding shots, but that's why it's a welding test video. We'll see how well that goes, and, you know, I guess we'll just try again. Better luck next time. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, remember, give it a like, share it with your friends, and without further ado, like I always say, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.